Hi guys, good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Where is my turn?
That is here. Ma'am, would you like to tell me that what the benefit of reading physically books?
Physically books. Okay, there is a lot of benefits to read physically books because if we know about our physical, so we can live a long time. And it should be our first priority that we should read physically books because we should know about our sense organs, we should know about parts of body, that what is happening with our body, which type of food we should take and which type of exercises should we do. Then we should know about our physically, we should know about our body. And I think that there is a lot of benefits to read physically education, physically books. And as I see, and it is the compulsion in 11th, 12th, 9th, 8th to read physically books.
Yeah, but according to me that when we read physically books, so we get something about body parts.
Yes, we get.
So, also it comes in a bio that should we read.
Yes, you are saying right, but when we study about biology, so we study in a deep manner. We even study about veins. We even read about blood groups. We read about bones. But if we study about physically books, so we only read about that our bones mostly, or that how we can protect our eyes, how we can take care of nose, how we can take care of our all the body parts. We don't study deep in a deep manner in physically books, but we study in a deep manner in biology.
So, would you like to tell me how we can make a fit body?
We can. Okay, so first of all we will have to do exercises. As I see that it is the thing that which can make our body very active, and it can also make our bones very active. And second thing is that as we are studying physically books, physical education, then it can also support to make our body in a very good manner.
Okay, thank you.
Hi sir.
So can you tell me that what is psychology?
Psychology. As I told you yesterday, the logy of the psychology, the science of spirit, it's called psychology. And if we study about psychology, then we can study the mind of the person who is talking with us. And if I talk about the benefits of psychology, the limit of the psychology is very, very big. The foundation of the psychology is very big. Then if we are studying psychology, then we can come to know about many things. We can also even read the people's mind. And we can also, as I told you, magic, that we can also make magic. Then we can study about the person who is talking with you. And there's a benefit that if you are studying with if you are talking with, as I am talking with you, then by the psychology I can come to know that are you interested in me or not, or whether you are only making formality. As I see that it is a very good subject and we should study, but I lost the opportunity to study psychology because I didn't take psychology in BA, but I should have taken.
So can we know that what he is about to ask?
Yes, we can also, because we can read the mind, what his body parts wants to say. As I told you yesterday that means as I am speaking, but my words can tell only 10 to 20%, but my body language can tell 80%, more than 80% my body language can tell. So we should focus on our body language. Then as I also give you example, in our childhood we used to tell a lie, but when we used to tell a lie, so we used to place our hand to mouth, and it is also in our now. We didn't get rid from this habit. Now you can also see, if you tell a lie now, so you can place one time your finger to your mouth because you want to stop your mouth to tell a lie. You can also see and as I also told you about crossing legs and open legs. If someone has crossed legs, so he is not interested in your teaching. And if someone has open legs, so he is interested, as I also gave the example about a girl. Then as I told you a lot of things about psychology. If you have another question related to psychology, so you can ask me.
Thank you, I have no knowledge.
Okay, thank you, but you asked a very nice question. Nice to talk with you.